guys, it's Caitlin. Today we are making chocolate covered strawberries. And I'm going to show you how to make them dairy-free or vegan so everyone you love can enjoy them. I'm also going to show you the easiest way to temper chocolate. Chocolate covered strawberries are the perfect gift for you or someone you love, and they'll be ready in no time. We are going to wash our strawberries really well, and you want to make sure that they dry out completely before we get started with the chocolate. So what we're going to need is, of course, some chocolate. If you want, you can use real chocolate, or you could use candy melts or some other kind of compound chocolate. The biggest difference between real chocolate and compound chocolate is that real chocolate tastes a lot better, but you do have to temper it, which means you have to make sure it melts at the correct temperature so it can harden nicely on top of your strawberries. If you're vegan or dairy-free, here are some great options for you. These are actually what I'm using personally because I'm dairy-free. It's not sponsored or anything. These are just my favorite brands. So we're gonna get started melting our chocolate. Place it in a microwave-safe bowl, and we're going to microwave at 50% power for 30-second intervals. And when it comes out of the microwave, we want to stir it. You can see it's not quite melted yet. We're just gonna keep doing the 30-second intervals until it is melted. We are slowly melting the chocolate so it doesn't break the temper, so we want to keep it beneath 95 degrees. This is the perfect consistency, so let's start dipping our strawberries. I'm gonna show you a little trick, makes it a lot easier. If you grab a toothpick or a skewer, we're going to poke that down where the stem used to be on the strawberry, and we're going to grab the leaves, hold them up against the toothpick, and this gives you a nice handle and it gets the leaves out of the way so you don't get chocolate on your leaves. Now we're just going to dip into our chocolate. Try to get as much of the strawberry as you can, and then we're just going to let the excess drip off. That looks pretty good, so we're going to set it on some parchment paper so when the chocolate hardens, it won't stick. These strawberries are looking so good. Now we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna do some white chocolate covered strawberries. We are going to heat up our white chocolate using the same method. Now I'm gonna show you how to do a little chocolate drizzle. We're going to take one of these piping bags and we're going to add the chocolate into the piping bag and drizzle it over the strawberries. If you take the piping bag and flip it inside out over the top of the cup, it's going to be really easy for you to transfer the chocolate into the piping bag. Now we're just going to snip a little hole at the end and then drizzle over our strawberries. And there you go, that's how you make chocolate covered strawberries the easy way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below what your favorite Valentine's Day treat is. Check out more of my desserts over here and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you and I will see you next time.